You're watching Zara's Variety Channel.
Hi there, today we're going to do a quick open boxing of the Saucony Liteform Feel lightweight running shoe. There we go. These are in gray. They're kind of a funky looking sneaker. I kind of like them. They're black. They're gray mesh with black rubber. They're pretty cool. They have your Form 2 memory foam technology, so that's kind of neat. They're neutral support, medium to high arches, supination and underpronation. There's a mesh upper, lace up. You've got your round toe, padded collar with pull loops, okay, right there, and pull loop on the back. Neoprene lining on the inside, which is kind of neat. You've got, again, Form 2 memory foam pad, which is really nice. You got your EVA Midsole and your Tri-Flex rubber sole with XT900 overlay. So that's a mouthful. But they are super light, 7.2 ounces for a men's size 9. So we're going to go ahead and put these on and try them on and see how they look with jeans and see how comfortable they are. So we'll do an on-feet demo of the Saucony Liteform Feel running sneaker. That's the Saucony Light Feel running sneaker. Thank you so much for watching. Please click subscribe, please click the bell, and please comment below. Tell us what you think. Thank you.